A young woman named Sarah dared to venture inside. The mansion's interior was a labyrinth of darkness and despair. A chilling whisper echoed through the mansion, a voice from beyond the grave.
How to create a horror story video. Many YouTube channels are monetizing such storytelling videos, and you can also generate passive income on YouTube by creating these types of videos. Even if you don't have video editing or storytelling skills, you can still create this type of content with the help of artificial intelligence. In today's video, I will explain the step-by-step process of creating a horror story video with the assistance of artificial intelligence. So let's get started. First, we need a captivating story to create the video. If you have your own story, that's great. Otherwise, you can use ChatGPT or GGBard. I provided the suggestion, create a thrilling and chilling horror story, and GPT wrote an engaging story for us. I think it's a good story for our video. In the next step, I asked ChatGPT for visual ideas for our video. My suggestion was, I want to make a YouTube video with this story using background visuals and dialogue. Please suggest individual visual scenes for my video. ChatGPT has generated 15 scenes with image prompts to ensure better performance. I requested ChatGPT to provide a prompt for each image, and it came up with improved ideas for image creation. Now, with this request, we will create images using artificial intelligence. After accessing the Midjourney AI artificial intelligence, please enter the request in the request box before generating the images. You need to change the aspect ratio because we are creating a video for YouTube. I will choose a 16:9 aspect ratio. Here, I have generated images for all the scenes. You can view the images and download them to your device. Step 3. Now, let's create a video from these images. To create a video from images, I will use a free tool called Pika Labs. I will provide all the tools in the description box. After accessing the Pika Labs website, click on the Join Beta button. To create a video with Pika Labs, you will need a Discord account. On the next page, click Accept Invite, and you will be redirected to the Pika Labs server. Once you are on the Pika Labs server, click on one of the video creation channels. This is one of the video creation channels in Pika Labs. To start creating a video from images, go to the message box and type /create. Now you will see an Add Image button below the request box. Click on that button and select your image. After uploading the image, enter a request in the request box. I simply wrote horror and then press the Enter key. It will take some time to create your video. After a while, you will see the video is illuminated. Download the video to your device, then create a video with the second image and create videos with all the images in this way. Step 4. Our video is ready. Now we need voiceovers. You can use your own voice, but this time I will use an artificial intelligence voice, and to generate the dialogue, I will use Muff AI. Muff AI is a tool for converting text into high-quality speech and is a paid service. If you're new to Muff AI, you need to create a new account. After creating an account, create a new project. Now let's change the voice model. You'll find more than 120 different voice models in various languages and regional accents. After selecting a voice model, copy the story from ChatGPT and paste it into Muff AI. Then, click the play button. From here, it will take about 1 to 2 minutes to generate the voiceover. Once it's done, export the audio. Step 5. Now, we need to combine them with a video editor. I'll be using CapCut because it's free and also has an online version for mobile users. Once you're in CapCut, import all the video clips and dialogues, then add the dialogues to the timeline. Now, add the video scene by scene, and you can adjust the speed if needed. After placing the video, you can incorporate some effects and transitions to make the video more engaging. Music. All right, our video editing process is complete. Another crucial aspect is a perfect background music that can make the video more captivating. CapCut has a vast music library. You can search for any type of music, select the most suitable background music for your video, and place it on the timeline. You can also adjust the music volume. Once everything is set, export the video. All right, our video is ready. Let's enjoy the final product together.
On top of a desolate hill stands a remote and eerie mansion where a darkness like no other awaits. One gloomy October evening, a young woman named Sarah dared to venture inside. The mansion's interior was a labyrinth of darkness and despair. A chilling whisper echoed through the mansion, a voice from beyond the grave. In a room with a sinister mirror, her own reflection twisted into a grotesque nightmare. A haunting melody filled the room as an invisible force played the piano. The mansion itself seemed to come alive, trapping her in its malevolent grip. In a hidden chamber, she discovered cryptic symbols and unsettling artwork. A sinister figure emerged, beckoning her closer with a voice like rustling leaves. She should have heeded the warning. Now, she belongs to the darkness. And so, the mansion's secrets remain hidden, waiting for the next curious soul to wander within.
Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe for more videos on the latest artificial intelligence technology. See you. Thank you.